Frequency distribution. So here we are asked to construct a frequency distribution for the data of the age of maximum yearly growth for 30 boys. See here, you have 7 columns and you have 5 rows. So 7 times 5, we have total of 35 boys here. So constructing the frequency distribution, it's just like making a table. So we'll just list how many boys actually are listed under a certain age. So we call this frequency distribution table. So we can actually put 2 columns, and in the first column is the age, and the frequency is on the other one. So we can have a tally first. And then the frequency by looking at the tally. Okay, so let's look at the smallest age here. So looking at the smallest age, so that would be a 10. And then the highest one, it's 18, right? Okay. And then we use that information to make the table. So the smallest, let's start with the smallest value, which is 10 years old. So we have 10 here. And then we'll have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and the highest is 18. So that would be the last one. Okay. So let's start with 12. So let's get 12. We mark 12. That would be 1 tick here. And then 14. 14, 1 here. 13, 1 here for 13. And you continue the procedure. So I just try to cross out the number that we're done. So we have another 14 here for the tally. 16, 16, we have 1 here, 14, another 14, and 17. Then we have 13, 10, 13, 18, 12, 15, and there is 14 next, 15, another 15, then 14. So we just group this into 5. And then another 14, 13, and then we have 15. Next is 16, then 15, 12, 13, 16, 11, we have 15, then 12, 13, 12, 11, 13, 14, and the last one is 14. Okay, and on the last column, we're going to count our tally and put the numbers there in numerical form. So the 10, we have only one for the frequency for 10 years old, and then we got 2 here for 11, 12, we got 5, 13, we got 7, 14, we got 9, and 15, you got 6, 16, you got 3, 17, you got 1, 1 for 18. Now looking at the table, we call this again frequency distribution table. You can actually make an observation, a conclusion out of the table. So observe that the number is increasing here up to the age of 14. Okay, so you can see that the maximum yearly growth for 35 years is at the age of 14. And when you're looking at beyond 14, 15, it's slowly decreasing, as you can see that going there. So increasing from 10 years old to 14 years old, and it's going decreasing, it's slowly decreasing after that. So you can also say that within this year bracket between 12 years old to 15 years old, you can see that the numbers are bigger. So it means that you can see there is a maximum yearly growth there between those ages. Okay, and after that, it's slowly decreasing. So that would be your conclusion from the frequency distribution table. So you can make your own format, but this is the typical format for constructing a frequency distribution table. So you have the items listed in column, and it should be arranged from smaller to bigger value. And then in the second column, you have the tally, and then you actually count that tally, and that would be your frequency for each row. And you can total that at the bottom, and the total should be equal to 35, which we have that as a given one. Okay, so, and that's how you make the frequency distribution table.